UBS is trading down as well. MasterCard, that was set from yesterday. CRM. So we are actually seeing some weakness a bit across the board. MasterCard, I'm going to stay away from. And let's take a look at CRM. So we're getting a lot of stuff pulling back into the zone, not showing a ton of strength anywhere across the board. Let's see what, if any, okay, First Solar, that's going to be too illiquid. Shop is down, that's going to be on Amazon. See if that wants to come back. We can look at Roku. See if that wants to come back on the gap. Remember, we have room for a buy if we see something. I'm not going to jump into it or anything like that. Coop, we can certainly trade Coop. We can't day trade it. Too wide to day trade. We can swing trade it. And then gap ups, we only have one, Nvidia, the one that we wanted to buy. See if that wants to pull back. I will definitely. It's coming back, which is nice. Let's get Nvidia up on the board just to be ready.